Alright, so this video alone has also given me about 7,000 new subscribers. So how much did YouTube pay me for 2,721,392 views? Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. If you're watching this video, then I'm guessing you're a content creator and you're curious to know how much YouTube will pay you when your video gets 1 million views, or you just want to know how much YouTube pays for 1 million views in general. I created a poll on my community tab asking people's opinion on how much they think YouTube pays for 1 million views, and 45% of the people think from $100 to $1,000 US. It occurs people seem to have no clue on the exact amount such videos can generate. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much YouTube paid me from a video that gained over 1 million views, and in addition, I'll be sharing with you my analytics and also discuss the factors that affect your earnings and how you can increase your revenue on the platform. So let's get started. YouTube pays its creators through the YouTube Partner Program, which allows content creators to monetize their videos by displaying ads. If you're a content creator on this platform, then you already know you need a certain number of subscribers and watch hours in order to get monetized and start making money from your videos. Now, if you don't know about this already, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million public short views in the last 365 days to start earning from YouTube. As a monetized creator, there are so many ways to make money from this platform, but your earnings from ad revenue is based on only 3 factors. Number 1 is the views, number 2 is nothing but the views, and number 3 is only the view. People who think likes and subscribers generate a certain amount of revenue are people who don't really know a lot about YouTube. Likes and subscribers don't generate any amount of revenue, but it does help your channel or your videos to grow and get recognized by the algorithm. You only get paid by the views generated by your videos. That means the more views you have, the more money you make. However, the amount you make per views varies depending on several factors, including the location of your viewers, the type of ads that are displayed, and the overall engagement of your viewers. Another important factor is the length of your videos. Longer videos, typically 8 minutes and above, generate more revenue as they allow for mid-roll ads to be placed in the videos. However, it's important to strike a balance between length and engagement. You don't want to create long and boring videos just to place mid-roll ads in order to earn more revenue, because if the viewer watches very few minutes of the video, then you won't get the earnings you expected anyways. Type of ads that are displayed on your videos also impact your earnings. You might have noticed some ads pay more than others. For example, a mid-roll ad that plays before your video may pay more than a banner ad that's displayed at the bottom of the screen. It's important to experiment with different ad formats and placements to maximize your earnings. So here I have this video that has been able to generate over 4 million views since it was published. But it wasn't always like that. If you take a close look at this chart right here, you can see when I first posted this video, it wasn't getting as many views as it's getting now obviously, but it was able to get 17 views on the first day, which was August 18th, 2021. And honestly, it was very good for my channel because I only had about 1,000 subscribers and was making about 8,000 views in a month. So 17 views in a day was very cool for me. But then the views kind of dropped down, and if I scrub through this flat line here, you can see it was getting from 2 to 6 views a day. And some days, if I'm not lucky, I don't get any views at all. It was getting the same single number of views every day until the following year around January, where my views spiked up a little bit and I was getting around 100, 300 and 500 views a day. And then on 1st February, it hit 1,000 views in just one day for the first time. And that's when the views started going up crazy. I then started getting thousands of views every day, from 10,000 views to about 30,000 views a day, which was a very big moment for my channel, because comparing the 8,000 views I used to get in a month to now getting about 30,000 views in just a single day is a huge difference and a very exciting moment for me. But wait, it didn't end there. The views were still going up at this moment, but on 14th February, which was also Valentine's Day by the way, my views exponentially jumped up to about 500,000 views, and it was just mind-blowing at the moment. After that, it just kind of decreased a little bit and went back up again. But enough of the view counts. Let's go straight to how much money this video has been able to generate. But before I start talking about anything else, I've got this filtered from 18th August 2021. That's the day this video was published, to February 2022, where it got the most views. During this filtered time, the video got 2.7 million views, so I will use this in calculating. And if you look at the top right corner here, you'd also notice about 300 people are still watching at the time of me recording this video. Alright, so this video alone has also given me about 7,000 new subscribers. So how much did YouTube pay me for 2,721,392 views? Here we go. $777.24. Yeah, so that's how much money the video accumulated. But this video here only got half of the views compared to this, but was able to accumulate over $4,000, which is more than what the video with over 2 million views earned. This is because the video with over 2 million views has a lower RPM compared to the other video which has a higher RPM. RPM is one of the key metrics used to measure earnings on YouTube, which stands for revenue per mile. This metric shows the average amount of money a creator earns per every 1,000 views on their video, giving creators an idea how much they can expect to earn from their content. RPM can vary significantly depending on the niche, audience demographics, and other variables. For example, a channel that makes videos about finance and investing with an average RPM of $12.25 will obviously make more money than a gaming channel with an average RPM of $1.40. Additionally, the location of the viewers also plays a role in determining the RPM. Advertisers are willing to pay more for ads shown to viewers in countries with a higher purchasing power, such as the United States or the United Kingdom, compared to other countries. So here, if I click on the advanced mode and select geography, it will show all the countries that watch this video. And if I click here, I can add the estimated revenue metrics, which will now show me how much money I earned from each country. So here you can see India is the #1 country with about 700,000 plus views, but also with the lower amount of money earned compared to the United States with only 257,000 views. So clearly, the country where your videos are being watched impacts your earnings, believe it or not. If you're looking to increase your earnings on YouTube, focus on creating high quality videos that engages your audience. The more engagement your videos get, the more likely your viewers are to watch until the end and click on all the ads. You can also experiment with different ad formats and placements to see which one generates the most revenue. Another way to increase your earnings is to diversify your revenue streams. Don't rely solely on ad revenue to make money from your channel. Consider other methods like selling merchandise or partnering with brands to create sponsored content. Finally, it's important to be patient and consistent. Earning on YouTube takes time and effort. Don't expect to make a full-time income overnight. Now, the most difficult aspect of earning on YouTube is getting the requirements for monetization. If you're struggling to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to get monetized and start making money on YouTube, I have a video that can help you reach 1,000 subscribers in just a few weeks, so make sure you check that out. So that's it for this video. As you can see, the amount you make on YouTube is based on a couple of factors, including your niche, audience, and engagement. While there is no guaranteed way to make a lot of money on YouTube, by following these tips and experimenting different strategies, you can increase your chance of success. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any videos I post in the future. See you in the next video.